ki khubor ka Bate TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi A bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum. Katana social welfare ke lapin mi ya ke jing pentep bagi nu ke ba apply ya ke Syrnot schedule tribe ba schedule caste ha ke jela Meghalaya ke di benda yo shwai ke tribe certificate na ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Uba polling do ubri menteri bakmi ya ke tana social welfare jang Sorkar jela ha ke jing keren wegila pathai kubor ha karpulai trik ujemang ada cha pusau liathu bhagis nam ladap omshim la pendrung satya ya ke kendon wala ke tribe certificate ke de ke dulir ke belong an bila ai da ke district council ba nang ni shakmat ke de ke kendon kan trekam no mardor ya ke ba apply benio ya ke Syrnot schedule tribe ba schedule caste.
This notification will be out soon. This concerns the applications for issuance of SC and ST certificates in the state of Meghalaya, where apart from what was listed in the guidelines for receipt and disposal of applications, we have included one more clause which reads as follows. One of the items to be furnished would include number 4, this is an addendum, tribe certificate from competent authority for areas under Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council shall be mandatory. This was not included all along, in spite of this tribe certificate being a valid legal document issued by Khadc. So in order for anybody to register themselves or claim or seek to be registered and to be issued with an ST certificate, they should possess a tribe certificate issued by the Khadc as a precondition.